Hey guys, this is the Stitch Illy Forever doll by Disney. They do really good with this. You got the Stitch sneakers, and everything in this pack is going to be Stitch related, from the sweatpants to the bag to the backpack to the shirt. Look, you can see how the bag's kind of got the handles in. You got the beret there. You got the Disney style face with the two separate outfits that you can style on the back. It gives you a couple combinations that you can dress your doll up to have. And there's a bunch of different characters. So these Illy dolls are based on specific characters. This one happens to be Stitch, but they have other characters that are related as well. This has 10 pieces. Those are some of the other dolls. Yeah, great quality, really heavy, like really good quality doll. Can stand up in plenty of points of articulation. Can stand up on its own if it's posed the right way. Your daughters will have a great time with these dolls. Collect them all. They all have different outfits that you can mix and match. I'll catch you on the next one.